Alright, time for a new project. This time in the shop, I'm going to be working on a air filtration system. So, I just picked up a furnace filter, a furnace fan blower. Let's take a look at it. Basically what I'll be doing is building a compartment on this end of the filter, of the furnace fan. That'll allow me to inset a filter. That's it. It's a big project. Oh, that'll be good. So I'm gonna mount it to the ceiling like this. So I'll just add a few screws here and mount it so it's like that. All right. Talking it out helps. So 2x6 frame, and then the rest so that it's got something good and solid to support this guy, the furnace fan. And then MDF for the rest of the build. Create a slot so that I can slide these guys in and out. I went with the 12x24. It seemed like a tidy size. It's not a huge space in here, so that's what I'm gonna go with. My skill saw blade is toast. I need to replace it, so I'm going to be doing everything with a jigsaw. So be it. All right, use the tools you've got. But, so this needs to connect to this from here to here. All right, so she's mounted up. I just made it a plug-in unit so I can just plug it in, unplug it whenever I want, so I don't need to run it all the time. I need to pop the filter in there, and we'll plug it in and see what it does. Made it to not be in this position, this spot, but now it's here, and I can't get it in. Speakers shifted over, filters in. She's tight in there, but whatever. I bought some of this stuff. Climalock, closed cell. Yeah, you can see the gaps here, so glad I'm doing that. Sealed up, all right. She's sealed. Time to plug her in. And we've got cleaner air than we did a second ago. Gonna pull out the dust. All right, so project cost me about 50 bucks, a little bit more. The furnace motor and fan was 35, filter was around 20 bucks, and the rest they're just odds and ends I had kicking around here, so I'm not putting a price to that. Although if you had to buy everything, you'd probably be in over 100 bucks there, but not much more. So there's a cheap way of cleaning air. All right, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little bell. Thanks, guys.